Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from 2-Minute Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account with Aspiration AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then type in aspiration.ai in the address bar and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Aspiration AI. Now in order to sign into your account, simply click on the sign in button and you will be asked to enter your email address and your password. So just go ahead and type in your email address or your username followed by your password, and then you can click on the login button and you will be logged into your account with Aspiration AI. In case you forgot your password or your username, you can simply click on forgot password or the forgot username button. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with Aspiration AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.